Hey, so I'm about ready to show you a concrete driveway that I did and a future step we're going to do. So hang tight. I'm going to kind of walk around and show it to you. And yes, I'm going to get yelled at on this. Call me out. I don't typically do concrete and I don't like cracks, but the Homeowners Association wouldn't let us do anything different. So I was trusted to get this done. Hold on. Okay, this is going to be a second attempt. I walked around, shot all this, and then realized I didn't press the button. So we just finished pouring this. Yes, it's concrete. Yes, concrete over time, especially with earthquakes in California, can stress crack. But this is curing. The homeowner had a major problem with water puddling in this section right in through here, and it had even gone as far to where the concrete had lifted. They had to sand it down, and so we came in and we poured a brand new slab because the homeowners association would not let us put pavers in place. We did them in the side, off to the right, but not on the driveway. Can't have anything that doesn't work right. And then over here is the porcelain tile. So we got to overlay the front porch with the tile that I found over at Floor and Decor. It has a beautiful wood grain all the way across. And then we also did it in an offset runner. So this way it's a really modern look, looks beautiful. So anyway, stay tuned. We're going to get back to this in about 4 weeks. So when I clip this together, it'll be a time lapse, but it'll work. Anyway, I can't wait to show you and work with Tim. And if you would, subscribe to my page. Would really appreciate it. Anyway, check this out one last time before it's color sealed. Dave Pratt, 714-588-8634. Part 2 coming up. Can't wait to show you. I'm out.